Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to crop an image using Adobe Express. Perfect for resizing or focusing your photo. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. After connecting your device to the Wi-Fi, simply open your Adobe Express application. After opening Adobe Express application, simply log into your Google or Facebook account. After logging into the account, simply open the photo which you want to crop from the plus icon and upload the media which you want to crop the photo. Suppose I want to crop the photo of this. Simply click on the photo and you will see the option called crop at the bottom. Simply click on it and you can simply crop your photo manually, or you can use the preset here like square or story or widescreen or landscape. Suppose I like this, and simply when you are happy with the crop, click apply, then hit the download button, and that's how you crop images in Adobe Express. Easy and fast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more design tips, and see you in the next one.